Day 3, Denny's gone. I've had nothing except this toilet water to eat and drink.
Eve, I cannot believe that you left Enzo all by himself. Enzo, what are you doing by the toilet? Enzo, what are you doing? Stop!
Denny's been gone for 3 days. I've just been trying to live it up. I'm meeting up with my poodle girlfriend, Chloe. She's a snack.
Okay, so my dearly beloved Eve is actually in the hospital right now. We're just gonna go and check on her. I really hope that she's okay because she's been complaining ever since she hit her head. Well, she's been complaining about having this awful headache. Here she is in all her glory. Eve, are you okay? Is your head okay? She looks great.
Yeah, so I've been in the hospital for a few days. Don't really feel great.
Ready? She died peacefully in her sleep.
I painted this picture the day of my youth was taken away from me.
I didn't know that she was 15. She told me that she was 18 years
Don't
old.
put words in my mouth.
You did.
Recess!
Why would you do this? That's so weird. You told me you were 18.
I demand custody of our granddaughter because this man has abused a 15-year-old. You raped a 15-year-old girl.
She's so
Yes, and you're never here. You're never here because
I
nobody's
am
raising
here.
or driving.
Zoe, she would love to travel the world with me and go to
No, she deserves to have a proper home where she can go to school and have friends.
Parents get full custody except for weekends and every Wednesday.
Like I said, abusive father.
So I just saw Zoe and I'm like completely furious because she's my daughter. I was the one who like produced her. Not really. But I'm also kind of relieved because that means I can focus more on racing and Enzo rather than a child. So.
Hello, this is Enzo coming back to you. I just wanted to record my last few words. I'm here with my poodle girlfriend, Chloe, and we're in love. I just want to say, as a dog, I think I fulfilled my purpose, which was to make my human happy, and I just want to say, I love you, Denny and Zoe. Goodbye.
Who can say